Hi guys. So last night it snowed quite a bit and the pond is covered in snow. Look at that, it's just like an igloo. So we're gonna go out there. The pond cover is not as sealed as I did it last year. So this is a good time to figure out where all the heat is escaping from, to see where the holes are around the pond, because the pond is heated, and when the heat escapes, it leaves holes, and you can see these holes, and you can tell where the holes are if you see ice sort of melted or snow melted around the pond. So I got one big hole right there, and I'll try not to cover my boots with snow because it's pretty deep. So far that's a major hole. We'll just walk around the pond and hopefully I don't get snow in my boots because it'll be uncomfortable. Hang on this side, looks like there's no major holes. Eventually it'll show up because the snow is pretty deep right now. It's kind of cool having the snow cover on the pond because it gives it that much more insulation. Just gonna go over to the other side here. Look at my pom-pom tree. It's pretty cool. Oops, over here it looks like there's a heat vent going on. So when the snow melts a bit, I'm gonna see if I can seal those holes with tape, or maybe get some soil if it's around the base of the pond, and to cover it with soil so that it doesn't so it's more sealed. So there's a major one. The snow on the pond is pretty cool, but it covers, it doesn't allow light in. So I forgot my gloves. I am going to clear some snow here so that to allow some. Oh my gosh, it's so cold. I better get some gloves. Hang on. Oh, and great, I think I got snow in my boots. Anyways, we'll go and find some gloves. You see how dark it is in the pond? This is showing through my security camera that's inside the pond. It is dark. So I'm gonna get some gloves and maybe a shovel and clear some of that snow off the window. Okay, got gloves. And I got snow in my boots. That's so annoying. Okay. That's one. I'm gonna go over to the other side. Just to allow some light in. I'm not gonna clear too much. And later on, I'm gonna clear. Well, might as well do it now. It's my my feeding hole, which is around that area here where I drop their koi food. That's gonna be pretty much buried. There you go. That should allow some light in. And over in this area is where my bridge is. So I know that if I step on this area here, I won't fall into the pond. I guess that's a solid area. There you go. See? I should be doing this with a shovel. Here's my feeding hole. There. So later on I'm gonna go feed them. And I think beyond here there's also... Can I step on this? Oh, yes, I can. If I clear this area here, it's gonna allow some light on top of the pond. See there? There's a plexiglass there. So, okay. So we'll see if that allows enough light in for the koi, so we can see them through the camera. Gonna have to change my socks now. There, I think that's enough. There you go, you can see the koi now. The temperature in the pond is 10.4. We've been away on holiday, so I let the temperature go down. But they don't seem to be bothered by the temperature 10.4. So maybe the igloo effect will keep more heat in, but we'll go raise the temperature. It's a 16, so we'll raise it to 22, and that will heat up the house, and the furnace will kick in, and then that would blow air. The furnace will blow air into the pod. Anyways, just a short video. It's just an update about what's going on. Crazy weather, but it's all good. Thanks for watching. Bye bye now.